This is the third in the series on solving differential equations with TK Solver. In this session, we'll take a look at the ODE wizard that is available with TK. The ODE wizard applies many of the routines that we showed in the first two sessions, and it automates the process so that you don't have to type all the intermediate steps and things like that. It takes care of it for you. So as it comes up here in the introduction, it shows us what it's going to be asking for. It needs the number of first order equations that it's going to be working with. It needs the integration limits and the initial conditions. You pick your integrator from the list that are available. You tell it the number of first order equations, limit. In this case, I'll go from, say, 0 to 2. You see that the wizard automatically set up different worksheets within TK, prepared things. Gives us an example here of what the syntax should look like. For the example that we're doing here, I'm going to go ahead and use x plus 1 over y1 for my first differential equation. And my second differential equation will be simply x times y1. We'll also supply the initial conditions. Use 1 for the solution to the first function and 0 for the solution to the second function initially. And I click the Finish button, and we see the results. It created the solution table, created the solution plot. The values are shown here in the table, and it shows us the functions that it created and the rules. So you see that the ODE wizard can be used to automate the steps that you saw in session 2, greatly saving you time. This can now be embedded in a TK model that would solve as you need it. You could rename these variables to match those in the rest of your math model. This concludes the third session on solving differential equations with TK.